Today I want to show you a component that you have to check if your Ford Ranger doesn't start. Mine is a 2001 Ford Ranger. Now this truck wasn't starting, and of course I checked the battery, which was good. Then I checked the starter, which was also good, and I couldn't figure it out what it was till I found the problem. Now this is what happens when you go to start it. Here's the key. I'm going to put it on, and I'm going to turn it, and I'm going to try to start it. And basically that happens, and as you can see, it shows low voltage, but it's not the battery. The actually the battery is full. It's not really low. And I looked for the problem, and I found it. Now the problem had to do with the fuses, and you're gonna see, basically open the door and the fuse panel is right here. You have to pry it open. This one already left it loose, but it's kind of hard right here. Take it out, and already removed the fuse, but check this one right here. It is number 19. Number 19 should have a fuse 25. Now the one that I had was out. Now the one that I had was actually bad. It has gone bad, and that's all it took for the truck to not start. So replace that fuse with another number 25 fuse, and it pays to have one of these in case the fuse goes out in the future, and I didn't have it. So there you go, you learn something new. Now when you go to start, twist it, and it starts every time now, which is kind of weird. One fuse and the whole thing won't start. Anyways, I hope this helped you out, and thanks for watching.